So I just got this in the mail from Amazon. I took it out of the Amazon packaging, and I'm about to do this unboxing of it. Apparently you can see how big it is compared to my computer size. Laptop, standard 17.5 inch. This block here is the Moukey headphone amplifier, ultra compact 4-channel stereo headphone amplifier. You can see what it will look like straight way out the box. Channels 1 through 4 with an input which has its own gain dial, mono stereo button here for whatever you're trying to select, and the outputs. I'm assuming the inputs here. So I have my cord already ready. This is a 1/2 inch stereo TRS cord that I'll be plugging right into this slot in a power DC box. But I guess let me just go ahead and get to it. Here we are. Boom. Okay, so we have the setup information, Moukey VIP. I'll read that soon. I'll read this soon. Okay, so I guess this is the USB charging, so it's flexible. The charging, okay, it's a USB regular, or like Android regular, not the USB-C. And here's the item itself. Okay, we're looking at the back, just as we say. So hopefully I'll be able to do this all without taking out of the video. I'm setting this phone on my chin right now. Hopefully I'm not getting anything cut. Alright, quickly before the phone falls. Oh, it fell. Okay, so after I get this done, let me move my hand out the way. We're gonna set this up. When I have this, I'm gonna plug it into this audio interface right here. So let me go ahead. Turn on this laptop. Uh-oh, sorry about that. Turn on this Focusrite controller. Let me turn this on down here. So while I'm doing all of that, I'm gonna open this package again, and please don't judge my floor. I got papers and tab everywhere, but I got order to this chaos. Okay, here we go again. And since this is it's USB powered, I'm gonna see if I could actually plug this up to my computer to charge it or turn it on. Okay. Oh, gotta get a little closer. Oh my goodness, got this thing wedged between my chin and my chest. Oh, for the sake of showing. So I'm plugging it in there. I want to just see if it will gain power. So I'll pick up this phone now. Alright, and oh, and it has power. Great. My computer is not reading it as an interface device. Great. Okay. And it has power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull up one of a recent song I'm actually working on with a fellow mate of mine. Or winning. These are projects I've recently done for other clients. Tomorrow's Hope. How about that? I will turn this on here. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm just gonna stop it at the right, and I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take this out of one headphone monitor here. Take this out, and I'm gonna plug that 1/2 inch in down there. All right. And of course you want to have all your equipment plugged up before. So what I'm gonna do, before you turn it on, headphones are really a problem, but since this is, I'm just gonna unplug that from the computer, plug it in back here in the input section. Go ahead, steady up. Great. Right in there. And as you can see, I have that right in there. And this one here. And I'm going to proceed to plug this up in output 2. And I'm going to plug this one in output 1. I have 3 sets of headphones here, but I'm going to use these two. And I'm going to turn the speaker off to see if they work. And this, I don't think you would actually hear the test, but at this point I'm going to set this here. Hopefully it doesn't tumble over. And I will play. So I'm on output 1. Oh, I forgot. I don't have it, I don't have this powered on. I unplugged it to plug in the audio cable. So now that it's on, I'm gonna turn this thing back down as to not blow my ears away. And I'm gonna click play. Okay, I'm pushing, I'm not getting any sound, probably because, okay, I'm gonna mute that. That's in the booth, that's here, that's there, 7, 8 is unmuted. Yeah. So again, I got this thing, power is on. I don't really hear any information coming through right now. So I'm gonna try this again. I don't hear anything. Hear nothing. Oh, probably because the input is all the way down. So I'm gonna start this over again. Input here. And the output's all the way down too. Okay. Now I can hear everything. I believe you want to have the input turned all the way up at all times. I'm getting activity, a lot of it. I also have a knob on here. Okay, I got a lot of information, but I also got a lot of noise as well. So maybe that's due to the input. Let me see. I turn the input down a little bit and I'll click play. Over there, I'm clicking play. Let me see. Okay, I got this turned up to the max. And I got this turning up a little bit. Okay. Okay, and at that level right there, I can still hear a little Z noise. I can hear a lot of, just a little bit, I guess, several decibels, somewhere around -38, somewhere around there, maybe a little higher of noise. But I'm gonna check out the other headphones for now and see if they will show me something different. Okay, and here we go. Okay. Okay, and this pair of headphones I have less noise, but I guess because these are tuned flat and these right here are, you know, really reference headphones, I guess I'm getting a little less noise. But as far as I can tell, you know, this item is working. It will be useful in the future. This is the Moukey headphone amps. I got it for somewhere around $25 on Amazon. Go ahead and check it out. This is that right there.